you drop fit from bottom to top to the wick right here, I would like to see one of these entries down here. Problem is about seeing that entry is that I don't know if price really wants to come down there yet. So I really want to wait for Monday just to actually see if that's what's gonna happen, right? Monday's gonna be the big make it or break it for this market. I want to see reject this moving average that we've had here. Right now we're just kind of consolidating in it. I still feel like we could see a break, but I don't think it wants to do it just yet. I might grab some liquidity first and then continue. I don't think we actually took any NAS last week. I don't think I took any NASDAQ trades. However, we had some markups that we had set up. This is on a fib level right here. If you guys were to take that fib, we would take it from the bottom to the top. Right there you have a 78.6, perfect rejection, pushed up. There's 100, it was 208 points right there on that trade setup. We had some students take it, I didn't take it. Now we tried taking this trade, but this trade didn't go too well for us either. As you can tell, we had all the rejections right here, but it didn't want to sell off properly. So there was another 50-point loss on this one. Pretty much all the Friday trades. Right here, we're seeing this rejection right now. This is something I've kind of had marked up for a while. We're trying to see what this fib is going to do for real. This was literally market close right here. So I kind of like it, but I don't know if it's going to hit that high that we want. So we had a sell drawn out a couple of weeks ago. If you would have held a nice SL, you probably still would have had this trade. You just had to wait a long period. That liquidity was hit. Let's keep going. Let's see where we're at right now. Overall bias, we're still on a bearish market for EU, so that's kind of what I want to look at right now. I want to pay attention to the bearish conditions that we have. Any high that you're going to see is just probably a continuation for the downside. Right now I would probably wait it just to give you some structure right now, but the structure that we're actually looking at right now isn't looking like a structure I want to kind of get into for sales just yet. I want to see more of a push up to here. More of a push up to the 88 right up here, and then I'll try to consider taking a sell from here. And first TP would probably be this liquidity or come down to negative 27. That would be my guess with this market. I did see that US 30 had a gap today. Someone just said go. We just went through go, but we'll look at it again. We're seeing at a fib rejection right now on the 78.6 right here. We're seeing it push up. We're gonna wait and actually see for the actual volume during a London session to New York session. It's kind of what I want to see. I can't really tell you guys any trade setups right now on the Sunday. The only one I'm really looking at is US 30 to see if it's gonna fill in that gap right here that we have, but I don't know if it's even gonna do that. You know, we're gonna put like a 35 point gap, 37, 36 point gap. Well, there's not much to it, guys. It's pretty much what we're looking at.
Hey, big dog.
What up, big dog?
Chilling, man, chilling. Hey, quick question on 30, bro. So on the 15-minute time frame, I see where it may support and it looks like it's going to go back down to that 15-minute 66, where it has all of the buyers exhausted and it also has some sexy candles as well. Would you say that would be a good area for the buy?
Man, I want to say that, but I really want to get more data on this market. Because the problem is that the data right now that we have is just whatever we're seeing it create right now. So I see the support you're looking at. It's also a nice little resistance area. But the problem is that like, if this market's gonna like take off from here, like it's finally gonna hit that negative 27 up here, you know?
Right.
So like now we're gonna have to wait for like 34,700 areas, you know, to this supply up here where we have all this manipulation going on.
That makes sense. So pretty much just wait it out until you have more confirmation and more data.
Yeah, I want to wait it out. You guys know I don't trade US 30 around this time. You guys know that's not my thing. So I'm just waiting that out real quick. Yeah, there's a lot of going on right now in US 30. I took a little L trying to sell it off Friday. So I kind of want to wait it out, really see what the market's gonna give us, and then we'll go based off of that. We're gonna have another winning week, that's for sure. Kind of ruined the little win streak with that loss I took. But we're gonna come back. We're still in profit overall. We're also starting the second phase of the 200K, so shouldn't be too hard. We already passed the first one within the week, and now we're gonna go back and do the same. And we have the live account up 4%, so it's not a bad thing. All right, guys. I think we kind of went over everything. It's not much to look at right now, guys. It's nothing crazy. I don't want you guys to be bombarded. Just want us to be prepared for the market. We are seeing some bullish momentum, especially after seeing this daily close like this in US 30. I want to see some bullish momentum now. This whole area here is a area of rejection. Right here is the same thing. So we are seeing these areas. We did print the first bullish candle on gold in a while. But I want to wait. I really do want to wait because this is the daily low. And usually that's one of those trades you can hold for a long period of time. If you guys were to draw a fib level, like now I'll be looking for buys. I'm definitely going to be looking for buys now. That's a 61.8 rejection right there. You guys see that on the daily? So now I kind of want to see new highs. So anything I'm going to try to see for, we also have another weekly. We have a weekly liquidity that we have all the way up here, right? Have this drawn out for a while now. I can finally see this actually react. It rejected this area of resistance that we had. Now we're creating it as a support, and now we're actually seeing it push back up. So we'd like to see some new highs now be created. Sounds good, guys. We're already kind of coming in, seeing what the market's looking like. We're kind of indicating for the rest of the week to be a buying momentum. Any pullback down, we're just gonna get that rejection to buy back up. If it decides to come down, like I said, it doesn't need to, but if it does decide to come down, I would probably want to see this area first, and then we'll go based off of that. Ideally, Mondays do like to set it up for the rest of the week. So depending what Monday does, let's say Monday is a sell-off to down here, I wouldn't be surprised. I really wouldn't be surprised if that's the Monday setup, and then Tuesday it buys it back up. So we'll be very attentive to that. But what I am seeing is that inverted head and shoulders. If you guys see it right here. I've been seeing this since last market. So I'm really trying to see what's going to happen here. We also have a challenge already starting today. We will have the challenge already up for the 25K account. It's going to be the same challenge, and then we'll change it up on the last one. All right, guys?